G'day Australia, Scott from EzyBlox Sheds and Steel Structures, supplying 100% Australian-made Bluescope Colorbond Steel all over this amazing, beautiful country of ours every single day. Now, we quite often get customers say to us, hey, I've got a quote from this company that starts with B and ends with T and has sheds at the end of their name, and they supply Colorbond colours as well, but they only have 5 to choose from. And the reason for that is because it ain't Colorbond. They're lines here. It ain't real. It comes from Asia, generally a country that starts with C, you know, with the big red flag over there. And it's pretend Colorbond colours. And how do you know it's pretend? Because it doesn't have the real name. So if you can search this up, these are the real Colorbond colours, the equivalent colour. They call it off-white. Real Colorbond is surf mist. Driftwood is gully. Red dust, terrain. These are the dumbest, stupidest names I've ever seen in my life. And they pretend that they're Colorbond. And we see this every single day. But this is not Colorbond. This is 100% imported steel from an Asian country. And that's not where your Aussie dollars should be going. At EzyBlox Sheds and Steel Structures, we only use 100% Australian-made steel. So when you get your quote from us, you will know that it is genuine Colorbond steel and you have a 20-year warranty on there. When you get your quote from Joe Blow's Sheds or Better Buy My Shed, and they've got 5 colours and it ain't the real Colorbond name, you know that you are supporting jobs in Asia, not in Australia. Australian-made means Australian-made steel, from Australian-made iron ore. This is our country. Support your jobs, support our industry, support Australian-made. Don't negotiate. We will never negotiate. If you're going to buy cheap, you're going to get fake. Scott from EzyBlox Sheds and Steel Structures.